Ramsey ukwamborai ojena studio obika opedza lunenga 27 udoba akupapa single from the EP inako the dropper husikale hanepa ukati hamwezi wa May pedzinga 27 za April arahandi nipa single pedzi ndisitwambeso mafungo manji irani atonibuza.
Yeah, what's up everyone? You know what it is, it's your boy Double R here. I'm dropping a new single from my EP, your title of Rumi Wa. Yes, EP the drop wa middle May. So ni make sure the any check as digital platforms over May. Now that this a day to recover in May, urune ni the Navanich K1 in 5 tracks. And your father the bangers phase matter before that one. Can you drop a single from Kanye EP, single equal drop one at 27 April, of which is this coming Saturday. So make sure you go check it out on all digital platforms. It's a banger, classic, new sounds. You know what it is. Double R, all the way. Love ya.